Assalamu alaikum students. Today this is the last lecture of our assignment number 5, and in this you have to write a review of an article of any story writing, right? This is a kind of a creative work. Let us discuss the objective first. First you have to read a story and then you have to write a review on it, and at the end of the lesson you will be able to write a review independently without any help. What you have to do is that you have to read a short article, a short story from any magazine or any book of any children magazine or from any newspaper, from wherever you want to read a small article, read a small story, then or choose if you are unable to find any kind of short story from a magazine, then you can select a short book, a short story book, and then you have to read that book and then you have to write a review. Now how you have to write a review, we will discuss it later, but first you have to be specific about what you are going to read. Select a text which you have to read and then you are supposed to write a review on it. Okay, what is a book review? A book review is a brief essay in which you retell important event in the story and relate an insight. Okay, in this, first what you do in review, you recall the events in your own words. First you read that book and then you recall the events in your own words. An insight is an important idea reader come to understand as they read and think about a book of story. Insight means, here I have mentioned insight. Insight means the idea which came into your mind after reading the book. What you think about that book. What is your perspective about the writer? What he right? So a book review is basically your own opinion about a book. First you create a summary of that book and then you give your own personal ideas about that novel, about that short story, about that article, that how do you like that article, or you dislike that, what was the purpose of liking that article, what was the purpose of disliking that article, right? This is basically a book review, that you will introduce your opinion into a book. Okay, how to write a review? First you have to give the introduction. In introduction you should include some basic facts about the story. So in introduction you will basically you are going to write a summary, right? You will include the title, you will include the name of the author and the story genre. I mean, the story is related to which genre. Is it science fiction, is it fantasy story, is it child story, is it a moral story, is it a fable? You are going to discuss what kind of story is it, then you are going to talk about the writer, then you are going to summarize that story, and then after summary you have to give your personal reflection. Personal reflection means your own personal idea about that specific book, that how do you feel about that book, what are your personal feeling, what are your personal thought about that book, right? And then you will tell that if you like that book or you dislike that book, what was the reason of liking or what was the reason of disliking, then you will conclude that paragraph, right? Okay, you have to write that review in your own words. Then you have to tell that what the story is about, what are the main characters in it, what did you learn from that story, was there any lesson to be learned, was there any moral which should be learned, right? And your review should be of only 75 to 100 words, right? You have to do this by your own self, you have to do this independently, and if you face any query, any problem, do tell me, I will help you. Thank you.